Few months back, one of my biggest clients said, "You have violated the security. We don't want to work with you." But we deal with it. So welcome to Bitfumes. My name is Sarthak and I'm your host here. We are going to talk about something security related thing about the Docker images. If you have never heard about the Docker, this is the time you need to switch into it. And by the way, if you have not subscribed to Bitfumes YouTube channel, right now go and hit subscribe button, because this is where you will get more AI updates and something really cool stuffs from the Docker, as I'm a Docker captain. So coming back to the client thing, so the problem was we had a container for their applications for the client, and the container using the images, and those images were having huge security issues, many vulnerabilities inside the image that can cause security issues, and that's why client was pushing hard on us. So how we tackle that situation? We accepted our mistake and we worked hard on improving the image security. It was a real big issue for us because it's hard to find the vulnerabilities, work on it and make it secure. And you know what? We heard something great directly from the Docker. It was called the hardening image. The Docker hardening image sounds really interesting because this is what we were trying to do. We were trying to harden our image. So the hardening images is now available on the Docker, and these images are mostly security proof. That means it will have almost zero vulnerabilities, having really improved the size, the smaller the size, and the bare minimum thing you need to run your application. And that's how the images are hardened. And you know what? The Docker is going to update these images regularly. That means even if there are some security issues, the Docker team is going to check and fix it very soon for you. And absolutely free. I'm saying this free word right now because this free word was not possible back when I was working with my client. So what changed? So you see, on December 17th, Docker announced that the hardening images is now free. Yes, it was not free before. You need to have some payment system for using this Docker hardened images, but it's absolutely free for everyone. And you know what they said in this blog post? It said that in 2025 these attacks, the supply chain attacks, was exploded, and $60 billion of damages, that is tripled from 2021. But when they launched the Docker hardening images, they have actually hardened over 1,000 plus images, which is right now available directly to use for you. But you know, as a developer, I always have the mindset, if something is working, don't touch it. So this is why, because whenever you change something, you need to change a lot of things to just make things working. But not here. It's very easy to migrate from normal images to hardened images. How? I'm going to show you everything right here in this video, so stay tuned till the end and let's see what this hardened images does, what the magic is behind the normal image and the hardened image. Let's see. Here I have the two different images. So if I just go to Docker images and see this dhi.io, this is the thing you need to just prefix, and then whatever image you want to have is becoming the hardened images. So hardened images are pulled from this thing. Now see the size of this hardened image is just 115 for Python 3.13. But now if you see the normal image of Python 3.13, it's 1.62 GB. This is real improvement, and this is the first reason you should or you must migrate to the hardened images. But we know we are using the hardened image because of the security and vulnerabilities. So let's see here. I have used the Docker Scout to compare these two images, the hardened images and the normal image. So I'm going to compare with DHI Python 3.13 to the normal 3.13 and see the difference. It says the package difference is the DHI, the hardened image, is having 565 less packages, and that's why the size is so reduced. And it just have 43 packages which are intact from the normal image. And the key difference makes this much smaller, stripped down image, and that's why the vulnerabilities and the security are huge for these two images. And that's why in the security system it says multiple CVEs are detected across both images on the various security level, but reduce package count in DHI means fewer vulnerabilities, overall smaller attack surface. So this is huge security improvement. Now the next question comes, how we can use it, how we can switch from normal image to a hardened image. I told you it's very easy. The first of all thing you need to do is go to the Docker Hub and log in obviously with your credentials and click on the hardened images, and here you will find all the images which are available as the hardened image. Now I'm going to search for the Python. So if I type it right, I can search it, and very soon we will get the Python hardened image. And it's very easy, it's almost similar how we traditionally used any images. So you need to use this Docker pull. This time it says dhi.io, and this is all thing you need to do. Okay, so here I have a fast API application, and this application uses a normal Python 3.13 image. If I run this application and go to the localhost 8000, you can see hello world is here, which is very simple thing. Now I want to switch to the hardened image. So I will go here and I will find the images, and the best part is here, if you see, the vulnerabilities is none for these images, and the older images are having few, and that's why I told you Docker is improving the security with every version. Okay, so we have this, and you can choose any image. Let's use this Debian. You can use Debian or Alpine and whatever you want. And here is this one, and I can just say DHI, Python 3, Debian 13, dev, and this is what we need to replace here. And that's the thing. I'm going to run the build, then compose up, and this is absolutely amazing. We have just changed one simple thing, the image we are pulling. Everything else is same, everything else is untouched, and our application become more secure with almost no vulnerabilities. And this is how I made my client happy with the security. And what do you think about the Docker hardened images? Is there any good alternative? Yes, there are alternatives, but this is the best one. If you see, there is one more called distortless. I am not able to exactly write it. Yeah, so Docker container tool distroless, and this is the one which previously we used to have the hardened the images we had, but now it's coming directly officially from the Docker. So why not use the best thing which is available, and that's called the Docker hardened images. So remember, this hardened images is free to use. You don't have to pay anything. It's all for you. And yes, it's amazing. So why can't you just share this video with everyone, with your team, with your organization, with your manager, and tell everyone that, hey, security is become so easy with the hardened images. And what you think about this, let me know in the comment section, and follow me for more Docker and AI updates. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.